Hi guys. Today we're going to talk about volumes of pyramids and cones. So the volumes of pyramids and cones all have the same general formula. The volume is equal to 1/3 the area of the base times the height of the pyramid or cone. So this should look really familiar because the last lesson we did was prisms and cylinders, and it was the same general formula minus the 1/3 here in front. Okay, so essentially what this means is if I made a prism that fit around this perfectly, it would take 3 of these pyramids to fill that prism up with water. Okay, so here's my height of my prism. Okay, and the base would be the area of the base down here. So let's get right after it. So here we have a pentagonal prism or pyramid. It has a base area of 321 and a height of 23. So the volume is going to be 1/3 the base area times the height. Now the base area, we can just go ahead and fill things in here. 1/3 of 321 is the base area, and the height is 23. And we can just multiply that together. So 321 times 23 divided by 3 comes out to be, remember, multiplying by 1/3 and dividing by 3 is the same thing, 2,461 cubic meters. So that one was really easy because I was given the area of the base. Okay, here we got a square pyramid. Okay, it's got base edges of 13 and 13 and a height of 27. So we get out our volume formula and we write it down. We always write down our formula. Here's our general formula. And then remember that since it's a square, the specific formula is going to be the length times the width for the base. So it's going to be 13 times 13 times the height of the pyramid is 27. Okay, so 13 times 13 times 27 divided by 3 comes out to be 1,521 cubic feet. So this is not difficult to do at all. I told you the volume is much easier to do than surface area. It's a lot less busy work. Okay, here's kind of a weird one. I've got this weird triangular pyramid. Okay, I got to watch out for this one. So again, the volume is 1/3 the area of the base times the height. Okay, now the base area is a triangle, so it's going to be half its base times its height times the height of the pyramid. Okay, so let's put some things in here. So 1/3 of 1/2, that's 1/6. The base of the base is going to be this, 17.5. The height of the base is going to be this, that's going to be 6. The height of the pyramid is going to be that, which is 10. Make sure you understand where each one of these numbers come from. Go back and watch this video over and over if you need to. Okay. So, I can actually do this in my head because 1/6 of 6 is just 1. So these cancel each other out. 10 times 17.5 is 175. And that would be in cubic meters. So that's an easy one to do. Okay, cone. Cones work just like pyramids. We start out with the same general formula. 1/3 the area of the base times the height. Hang on while I get my voice back here. Okay, so now since the base is a circle, this becomes pi r squared for the base times the height. So now I just plug in the numbers. Pi, the radius is 12 squared times the height is 16. So 12 squared is 144 times 16 divided by 3. So this comes out to be 768 pi, which is the exact answer. I'm not really interested in that, so times 3.14. This is approximately 2,411.52 cubic inches. Notice I circled both the exact and the approximate answer. So as long as I have my general formula here, I can figure out a specific formula for any pyramid or cone. Now, the nice part is this works for every single cone. Okay, the pyramids, you kind of have to work them out because they all have different bases. Okay, you get to do 1 through 23 odd, and I will see you guys in class.